Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today in this video, I'm going to showcase you the installation and full in-game walkthrough of our vehicle designer. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the vehicle designer comes in two variations. First one is the escrow version, which will cost you around 22 euros, and the second one is open source, which will cost you around 54 euros. You just have to select your product and click over here and purchase it into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we need to extract the file into our FiveM resources. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the folder, go to shared, then config.lua. So this is the configuration of our script over here. In the local section, the default language is going to be for English. You can configure it according to your preference. So this is the command to open the vehicle designer. If you want to configure the keybind to open the vehicle designer, then you can configure it over here. So this is the configuration for AI integration for this script. So we are going to integrate Google Gemini. For that, we need to provide the API key over here. After that, paste it over here. So that's it for the basic configurations. There are much more configurations over here. You can configure them according to your preference. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now open the templates folder. Now here we need to create a folder. So I'll be giving the name of My Car Pack. You can give any name which you like. After that, open the folder. Now here we need to provide the YTD and YFT and meta files of our vehicle which we are looking to convert. So for this video, I'll be using this vehicle file in the stream folder. It contains the YTD and YFT files, and in the data folder, it contains all the meta files. So copy them and paste them over here. Make sure to add the vehicle in your server as well. So I'll be adding it over here. Just like this. After that, open the tools folder. Then run the converter.bat. With the help of this tool, we converted our YFT file to GLB, which will help to edit this vehicle in game. To run this tool, make sure you have installed Node.js in your PC. Now if you go to stream, models, vehicles, here you will find the GLB file and all the textures which got converted from the YTD file. Now open the documentation of the script. The link will be in the description below. Go to AI library generation. Then copy this line of code from here. Now open the server.cfg and paste it over here. Now here also we need to provide the API key of the Google Gemini. Now come to access and permissions. Then copy this line of code from here. Then paste it into your server.cfg. So this is used to give the permission to open the vehicle designer only for admins. Now before starting up the server, make sure to ensure the script in the server.cfg. For that, copy the name and ensure it over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now. First, let's spawn the vehicle which you have added in the server. Now let's open the vehicle designer with the command of /vehicle studio. So this is the panel of our vehicle studio. Over here you can find your 3D model of the vehicle, and in this side you can find the texture of the vehicle. If you click on this drop down button, you can find all the various textures which got extracted from the YTD file. So I'm going to show you all these tools one by one. First, let's use the brush tool. With the help of this tool, you can draw anything on the vehicle. As you can see, from here you can change the color of your brush stroke, increase or decrease the size of the brush, and from here you can adjust the hardness as well. So for the brush tool, we have 4 different types of variations. First one is the normal brush, the second one is the spray paint, third variation is the marker, and the fourth variation is the pixel. Now the next tool is the fill tool. Before that, let's check out the text tool. With the help of this tool, we can write text anywhere on the vehicle. We can even change the color of the text. From here we can adjust the opacity. From here we can change the blending mode. And from here we can rotate our text. And from here we can change the font style. And from here we can change the size of the text. So the next tool is the image tool. With the help of this tool, we can upload any image on our vehicle. For that, click on upload from PC. select your image, then open it on the script. So as you can see, we got our image over here. Let's add it on this side. Now the next tool is the selection tool. This tool also have 4 variations. First one is the rectangle, second one is the circle, third one is the free lasso tool, and the last one is the magic wand. So let's check them out one by one. So with the help of this rectangle tool, we can select the area in a rectangular form. After that, here we get some options. First one is the erase or delete, second one is the fill tool, third one is the copy, and there are some more options over here. You can explore them one by one. Now let's check out the ellipse selection. You can select the area in a circular form. Now if you use the fill tool, we can fill the color in the selected area. Now the third form is the free lasso. Let's select this area. And we have the same options over here, or even we can directly fill the color with this option. Just like this. The last selection tool is the magic wand tool. Let's select the police. Hold shift to do multiple selection. Now either you can change the color, remove this police from here, or copy it and paste it in any other place. So let's fill the color. As you can see, just like this, you can use the magic wand. So the next tool is the eraser tool. With the help of this tool, we can erase any brush strokes. Now the next option is the eyedropper tool. With the help of this tool, we can directly select any color and it will appear on the brush tool and the fill tool. Now the next tool is the shape tool. With the help of this tool, we can draw rectangle shape or circle shape or any lines on our vehicle. So the last tool is the pattern tool. With the help of this tool, we can add patterns on our vehicle. From here, we can adjust the opacity, blending mode, pattern type, and we can even change the color as well, as you can see. So this is the section of layers over here. So whatever changes we have made, it will create a layer over here. You can even remove, copy, lock, or hide the layer, or you can even adjust the position as well. So there are some more options over here. If you click over here, you can rotate the vehicle just like this, and with this option, we can see the wireframe of our vehicle. And finally, with this option, we can reset the view. So with this option, we can see live changes on our vehicle. Just click over here. After that, click on this option. So as you can see, so these are the changes which we have made in the vehicle editor. So we also have some options over here. So with this option, we will get a small in-game tutorial. And the second option is the settings and appearance. With the help of this tool, we can change the appearance of our vehicle editor. So I'll be keeping it on default for now. So in this option, it will show all the controls and shortcuts of the tool. So the next option is Quick AI Fit. With the help of this tool, we can select any random theme. Now let's check out the AI assistant of the script. We can ask anything about the script to this AI. Let's ask the AI, how do I set up the AI image key? And this is the result of the AI over here. Let's ask him the steps. And there are much more things you can ask to this AI. In the design section, we can design the vehicle with the help of AI. You just have to describe your texture over here. After that, click on generate. Now let's redesign this vehicle. So I have designed my vehicle over here. Now click over here to save the project. So I'll be giving it a name of. After that, click on OK. So we got our vehicle saved over here. Now we have to export our design. For that, click over here and select it as package. After that, click on export. So it exported a standalone file which you can use it in any other server. Now click on live on server, then hit export. Now if you go to export, here you will find the new exported vehicle file, and this is the library which we have created from the vehicle studio. So as you can see, it is showing that design is live on the server. Now let's close the vehicle studio. So as you can see, this is the library which we have created from the vehicle studio, and it is now live inside the server. So as you can see, this is the exact library which we have created from the vehicle studio. There are much more things you can do with this script. You can explore them one by one. So that's it for today's video. See you in next one. Goodbye.